Hello students, good morning. Already we have started the lesson science and spirituality. First part we have done, and in that part we have seen Dr. Kalam was a great scientist, and he was indisputable one, unable to be challenged one. He was also convinced that the fact and faith can together create a better planet. As we have seen that science and faith have to go hand in hand. We have seen that, and his own life was improved in quality or nourished by multiple faiths. His father was a boatman, as we have seen that, and he served as an imam. Imam means what? Lead, what we said, that leads prayer, leads. Who was the leader? Imam means what? Who leads a prayer, the local mosque. After that we have seen he had two best friends. They were from two different religions. One was a Hindu and the other was a Christian one. And all three of them, they were unique attire. Unique means one of them one of a like attire means clothes of their region. They used to sit and discuss communities problems, as well as they also find their solutions too. Again we have seen they have sincere dialogue between among them regarding cultures, religions, as well as civilizations. And Dr. Kalam would always attribute to his father, and in him he saw how simplicity as well as divinity could go together. Even though his father was a boatman, as we have seen that Dr. Kalam, he was the president of India, and they both shared the same values in life, and both believed that if one has the spirituality, then definitely with the help of spirituality one can overcome the any kind of confusion, misery or failure. Up to here we have seen. Now we are going to start from part 2. In the 1960, when Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, it was just a fledgling. What we said that here, fledgling. The word fledgling means what here? That is given new and inexperienced, new as well as inexperienced. In the 1960, when Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, it was just a fledgling organization. It was just a new organization. When Dr. Kalam he had joined ISRO at the same time it was a new organization one. His interactions with the great scientist Professor Vikram Sarabhai and the Reverend Peter Bernard Pereira shaped his thoughts on religion. Because of all both these personalities here, his interactions with the great scientist Professor Vikram Sarabhai as well as respected Peter Bernard Pereira, both were greatest scientists, and they shaped his thoughts on religion. Because of these great scientists, he had shaped his thoughts रिगार्डिंग रिलीजन. धर्माबद्दलचे जे काही विचार आहेत ते विचार, त्या विचारांना एक योग्य आकार प्राप्त होण्याचं काम कुणी केलं असेल तर, कुणाच्यामुळे झालं असेल तर ते सायंटिस्ट विक्रम साराभाई ॲज वेल ॲज पीटर बर्नार्ड पेरियरा. इट वॉज हियर दॅट ही लर्न्ड अबाउट ट्रू मिनिंग ऑफ रिलीजियस सर्विस. बिकॉज ऑफ them only he learned about the true meaning of religious service. What is actually religious service? He learned about it. Because of all these greatest professors, with Professor Vikram Sarabhai as well as Reverend Peter Bernard Pereira, he shaped his thoughts regarding religion, as we have seen that. As well as also he learned about the true meaning of religious service later. And Professor Sarabhai and his team had selected a site in Thumba, Kerala to set up their space research facility. बघा लक्ष द्या. प्रोफेसर साराभाई along with his team, they had selected a site where it was in Thumba, Kerala to set up their space research facility. Where they have set up their space research, here the question will ask that where they have set up their space research at Thumba in Kerala. Where? At Thumba in Kerala. Who? Professor Sarabhai and his team. They had selected a site in Thumba, Kerala to set up their space research facility. It was an ideal site due to its proximity to the magnetic equator. It was proximity means what? Closeness. It was an ideal site. आता ही जी साईट होती, इट वॉज रिअली इम्पॉर्टंट साईट, इट वॉज रिअली आयडियल साईट ड्यू टू इट्स प्रॉक्झिमिटी टू द मॅग्नेटिक इक्वेटर. वाय इट वॉज आयडियल वन? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स क्लोजनेस टू द मॅग्नेटिक इक्वेटर, as it is very much important. Why it is important? That is also given here. it is closeness, or it has the quality of being only a short distance away from something else. That is called here proximity, means close one. It is close to the magnetic equator, so it was really an ideal site. But there was a major roadblock. Here the word roadblock means what? Something that prevents progress. Something that prevents progress. Here it is given the word roadblock. It means this one, roadblock. Here it is, roadblock means what? Actually something that prevents progress, that is called roadblock here. But there was a major roadblock in getting possession of the site, as it was the fishing grounds of Thumba's fishermen. What was the major problem there, major roadblock there? It was the fishing ground of Thumba's fishermen. ज्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी हा स्पेस रिसर्च सेटअप उभारला होता ते ठिकाण ॲक्च्युली कुणाचं होतं? इट वॉज द फिशिंग ग्राउंड्स. ते फिशिंग ग्राउंड्स होतं कुणाचं? थुंबाज फिशरमॅन. थुंबा लोकांचे फिशरमॅन. इट वॉज द फिशिंग ग्राउंड्स ऑफ थुंबाज फिशरमॅन. सो इट वॉज द मेजर रोड ब्लॉक इन गेटिंग पोझिशन ऑफ द साइड. अ बिशप्स हाऊस अँड अ स्कूल. नॉट ओनली दॅट मच ओनली. It was not the fishing grounds of Thumba's fishermen. Moreover, it had an old church of Saint Mary Magdalene, a bishop's house, and a school, which was under the administration of the church. बघा, तर त्या ठिकाणी काही अडचणी होत्या. त्यांना स्पेस रिसर्च सेंटर किंवा सेटअप उभारायचा होता कुठं? थुंबा या ठिकाणी, केरळामध्ये. बट देर वॉज अ मेजर रोड ब्लॉक, ॲज it was the fishing grounds of Thumba's fishermen, as we have seen that. But also there was an old church of Saint Mary Magdalene, as well as a bishop's house and a school, which was under the administration of the church. म्हणजे चर्चच्या ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह खाली चालणारं एक स्कूलसुद्धा होतं, त्या ठिकाणी एक चर्चसुद्धा होता. बिशप्स हाऊस वॉज ऑल्सो देअर अँड फिशिंग ग्राउंड्स ऑफ थुंबाज फिशरमॅन. अँड दीज वर द मेजर रोड ब्लॉक फॉर गेटिंग पोझेशन ऑफ द साईट. Government officials predicted that it would be impossible to relocate so many people from the site and destroy religious institution for the sake of space research center. बघा, लक्ष द्या. Relocate means what? To move to a new place. Here that is given. Relocate, to move to any other place, to a new place. That is called here relocate. Government here, they predicted that, they told us that at the same time, government officials, they predicted that it would be impossible. It is not possible to move these people, these various people, many people from the site and destroy their religious faith or religious institutions for the sake of only space research center. बघा, म्हणजे आपण या स्पेस रिसर्च सेंटरसाठी इथल्या लोकांना आपण इथून मूव्ह करू शकत नाही. त्यांचं जे काही रिलिजियस इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आहेत या ठिकाणी ते आपण डिस्ट्रॉय करू शकत नाही. म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिशियलने हे प्रेडिक्ट केलं दॅट इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉसिबल, इट इज रिअली इम्पॉसिबल टू रिलोकेट various people from the site as well as destroy their religious institutes for the sake of only space research center. Here the word bishop means what? Priest. Okay. What was there? What was the major roadblock there? There was the fishing grounds of Thumba's fishermen, as well as old church of Saint Mary Magdalene, and bishop's house, priest house was also there, and school which was under the control of the church. All these things, and we cannot move them easily according to government officials. After that we have seen, we are going to see, but upon Dr. Sarabhai's persistence, it was suggested that they approach the only person who could help them in this situation. But according to Sarabhai's approach, according to Sarabhai, he said that, he suggested that in this regard only one person we can help, only one person can help us, who was फादर पेरियरा, द देन बिशप ऑफ द रिजन. त्या भागातले जे बिशप होते, होऊन गेलेले, द देन, नॉट नाव, द देन बिशप, द देन प्रिस्ट ऑफ दॅट रिजन हुज नेम वॉज what we have seen that Pereira, Father Pereira, who will definitely help us in this regard. Who suggested that? Dr. Sarabhai. Dr. Sarabhai, he suggested that only one person who will help us in this regard, in this situation, whose name was Father Pereira, who was the then bishop of the region. म्हणजे फक्त आपल्याला एकच व्यक्ती हेल्प करू शकतो आहे, तो म्हणजे कोण आहे तर फादर पेरियरा, की ज्यांनी हे याच रिजनचे एक प्रिस्ट होते यापूर्वी. बट Upon Dr. Sarabhai's persistence, it was suggested that they approached the only person who could help them in this situation, who was Father Periyara, the then bishop of the region. Now Dr. Sarabhai and Dr. Kalam approached Father Periyara on a Saturday evening. For that purpose only, Dr. Sarabhai along with Dr. Kalam, they both went towards Father Periyara and they met him on a Sunday evening. It was a Sunday evening and they both met him. They both means who? Dr. Sarabhai and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. They met to whom? Father Periyara. For what purpose? Actually, they want to set up a space research center at Thumba in Kerala, but there were major roadblock or major problems were there. And in this regard, in this situation, for getting help, they want to meet Father Periyara, and they both approached Father Periyara on a Saturday evening. The Reverend said, at the same time, the respected person, means Father Periyara, he said that, "Oh Vikram, you are asking me for my children's abode, for my abode, and for God's abode." At the same time, he asked, "You are asking for my children's abode, for my abode, as well as my God's abode." मी तुम्हाला माझ्या मुलांचं ठिकाण पाहिजे, ज्या ठिकाणी ती मुलं राहतात, शिकतात. School was also there, as we have seen that, and it was administered by the church. Old church was also there. Bishop house was also there. So he called that my abode, as well as for God's abode. Means old church was also there. It means he said that you are asking me for my own children's abode, for my abode, as well as for God's abode. How is it possible? कसं काय शक्य आहे? मी तुला माझ्या मुलांचं घर देऊ का, किंवा माझ्या देवाचं घर देऊ का, किंवा माझं स्वतःचं घर देऊ का? हाऊ इट इज पॉसिबल? नाउ फादर पेरियरा देन इन्व्हायटेड द पार्टी टू विजिट द चर्च ऑन अ संडे मॉर्निंग. Father Periyara, after that they invited the party to visit the church on a Sunday morning. Then the Sunday morning he invited Dr. Sarabhai as well as Dr. Kalam along with many people of that Thumba. How is it Father Periyara then invited the party to visit the church on a Sunday morning? Dr. Sarabhai, his team and the forever inquisitive disciple Dr. Kalam took up the offer. बघा लक्ष द्या काय दिलं मी. Dr. Kalam as well as Dr. Sarabhai, his team and the forever inquisitive disciple. The word inquisitive, it means what? Eager to know everything. Who was called here inquisitive one? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was eager to know everything. सगळं काही जाणून घेण्याची इच्छा असलेला त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Inquisitive. Who was eager to know everything. That is called inquisitive. Here Dr. Sarabhai along with his team as well as the father inquisitive disciple. Disciple means what? जे शिष्य असतात ते. That is called disciple. Here inquisitive disciple Dr. Kalam took up the offer. All they had accepted the offer on the Sunday morning. Father Periyara invited them. They means who? All this party, Dr. Sarabhai, his team, the forever inquisitive disciple Dr. Kalam, and all these things. Okay, all these people, they had taken up. They had accepted their offer, his offer. At church the next Sunday, the Reverend invited Dr. Sarabhai up to the dais after the prayer service. At church the next Sunday. त्यानंतर पुढच्या संडेलाच लगेच द फादर पेरियरा ही इन्व्हायटेड डॉक्टर साराभाई टू द डायस आफ्टर द प्रेयर सर्विस. आफ्टर द प्रेयर सर्विस द फादर पेरियरा he had invited to whom? Dr. Sarabhai up to the dais. Dais means stage after the prayer service. Okay, turning to everyone present he said, on the stage they were now, and turning to everyone present there he said that, dear children, here is a scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. बघा त्यानंतर एका संडेला त्यांनी काय केलं की या फादर पेरियरांना इन्व्हाइट केलं. डॉक्टर साराभाईने फादर पेरियरा ही इन्व्हायटेड टू होम डॉक्टर साराभाई, and he invited up to the dais, up to the stage after the prayer service, and he turned towards the children, to everyone present there, and he said that, dear children, here is a scientist. Dear children, here is a scientist whose name was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. What does science do for us? We benefit from the device that science has developed to light up our homes. आता इथं मात्र हे डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई फादर रेव्हरंड जे आहेत फादर पेरियरा ते लोकांना समजून सांगतायत आणि समजून का सांगायचं बघा, कारण ते प्लेस जे आहे ते प्लेस त्या स्पेस रिसर्च सेंटरसाठी द्यायचं एकतर, आणि लोकांना समजून सांगण्यासाठी तर फादर पेरियर काय सांगतात बघा की डिअर चिल्ड्रन, हिअर इज आर सायंटिस्ट डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई. व्हॉट डज सायन्स डू फॉर अस? We benefit from the device that science has developed to light up our homes. Our homes are lit up because of science only. Science has developed so much, and with the help of science we can get everything. I am able to talk to you using this mic here. Mic means what? Microphone. That is also given here. Mic means microphone or mic. I am talking to you with the help of this mic, and it is possible because of science only. Thanks to technological advancement, it is only possible because of technological advancement. Means what? Science and technology, development in the science and technology. बघा, आता सायन्सचं महत्त्व त्या लोकांना पटवून देत आहेत कोण? फादर पेरियरा. दोज हू वर प्रेझेंट देअर हिअर. फादर पेरियरा ही said them that he told them that we benefit from this device that science has developed in to light up our homes. Also, now I'm going to talk to you with the help of this mic, and it is because of science and technology only. Medical science allows doctors to diagnose and treat patients. Medical science, as we have all seen that with the help of medical science, doctors, they can diagnose as well as they can treat patients, and it was possible because of science only. It was medical science. Science and technology enhance the overall comfort and quality of human life. Science and technology, as we have there, it was so much developed that it enhanced the overall comfort. It gives us comfort as quality of human life. And what do I do as a preacher? As a preacher means what? Teacher. What do I do as a preacher? म्हणजे एक टीचर म्हणून किंवा एक उपदेशक म्हणून, प्रीचर म्हणून मी काय करू शकतो? आय प्रे फॉर यू, फॉर युअर वेल बिईंग अँड फॉर युअर पीस. I only pray for you, for your well-being and for your peace. Nothing except that. असं हे फादर पेरियर समजावून सांगतात. ॲज अ प्रीचर, what can I do for you? Only that much. I pray for you, for your well-being, for your peace. Nothing except that. In short, Vikram and I are doing the same job. त्यांना सांगायचं की विक्रम साराभाई as well as I, both are doing the same job. Both science and spirituality seek the Almighty's blessings for the prosperity of the human mind and body. Both with the help of science as well as spirituality, means religiousness, and with the help of both these things, science and spirituality seek the Almighty's, means God's blessings for the prosperity of human mind as well as body, means human welfare, human good. Okay, now see what we have seen in today's lecture, that is here Professor Vikram Sarabhai was a scientist. He, as we have seen that Reverend Peter Bernard Pereira was a priest or bishop. Dr. Kalam joined ISRO in 1960. At the same time, it was a newly found organization. After that, we have seen that the person who could help and could be coordinated with was the bishop. He was and 1960 is the significant for Dr. Kalam's having joined ISRO that year, so it was very important. Also, we have seen that from we learn that people belonging to different religions can come together and reach a common understanding to resolve major and sensitive issues. Religious harmony is the theme of that entire extract. After that, we have seen that can we give up God's support for such a great scientific mission? Who said to whom? Father Pereira said to the people in the church. One Sunday, after Dr. Sarabhai and Dr. Kalam approached him to request the people to give up the church land for the building of Space Research Center. Okay, again we have seen that Reverend Father Bernard Pereira was the priest in charge of the church in Thumba, Kerala. He was person who immediately understood the dilemma in the minds of Dr. Kalam and the Professor Sarabhai. He realized that he would have to make a sacrifice in the interest of science. At the same time, he could not do this without the approval of his congregation. So he put the concept before the entire gathering in forceful terms and got unanimous support for the setting up of the Space Research Center. After that, we have seen the Reverend said that Dr. Sarabhai was a scientist, and we benefit from the device that science has developed in many ways in our homes and in the fields of medicine, technology. Also, praise for the peace and well-being of his people. Thus, both science and spirituality seek the Almighty's blessing for the prosperity of human mind and body. In short, both are doing the same job. Up to here, we are going to see. Now, along with this video lecture, I'm going to give you exercise which will be in the PDF format. You have to solve it promptly and send me its feedback. Okay, thank you.